Hello friends, stock market trading is a fascinating profession for those people who wish to earn an income or create wealth from the markets. We have heard of many investors who've managed to create humongous wealth like Warren Buffett, Charlie Munger, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, etc. This draws a lot of people to the stock markets. Many people think whether stock markets can be pursued as a full-time profession or not. Unless one gives his 100%, it is difficult to become a successful trader. Full-time trading helps one develop the skills that are needed to become a successful trader. Now coming to the most important question is whether stock trading can give you regular monthly income or not. If I say yes, I would be completely wrong. Market behavior is uncertain, so how can profits be regular? However, there may be months when your profits are supernormal, and in some cases the profits might be limited. So how do we make the maximum benefits when there is no regular income? Here are 2 quick points to note to reap maximum benefits from the markets. Read strategically. Everything does not require reading. Read that part which will be useful to you. Learn from experience. Practice a lot and as much as you can. No books suggest about the certainty of how much profit one will generate, although with practice and experience, one can limit his losses and ensure maximization of gains. It does not guarantee a fixed monthly income like a full-time job does. But yes, one can earn good profits in this if his money management skills are proper. One needs to ensure that his profits are ₹2 for every 1 rupee loss that he incurs, so that even if his probability is 50%, he stands to gain. Trading is a structure in itself. You need a well-designed program to understand the method and strategy involved in it. Count on yourself for taking decisions. Keep a watch on 2 major aspects. Capital. Always note not to break your capital, not going overboard when it comes to leveraging with the broker's capital. If the trade goes wrong in case of leverage, the losses are huge. A little bit of leverage is fine provided the risks are manageable. And allocation of capital. In trading, one also needs to ensure that his portfolio is diversified in different sectors, so that if one sector is not doing well, he can trade in the other stocks from a different sector and ensure that he makes profits. The most important thing to keep in mind is to ensure that the capital is more or less safe. A lot of studying about the market is required if one wants to become a successful trader. But yes, it is very much possible to become one and earn good profits from the markets. Goodbye.